Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. The 5 fastest fighter jets that shocked the world. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for elite insights on defense, war, jets and missiles and submarines. Follow on Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. A new report by National Security Journal reveals the 5 fastest fighter jets on Earth. And surprisingly, the United States no longer holds the top spot. Dominating the list is the Mikoyan MiG-25 Foxbat, capable of reaching speeds of Mach 3.2, followed by the MiG-31 Foxhound at Mach 2.83, both products of Soviet engineering. These interceptors were originally designed to outpace Western aircraft and missiles during the Cold War, and decades later they still rank among the fastest in history. The US Air Force's legendary F-15 Eagle follows closely behind, with speeds exceeding Mach 2.5, while newer stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II prioritize stealth and sensor fusion over raw velocity. The findings highlight how speed remains a key element of air superiority, but modern warfare increasingly values stealth, data integration, and electronic dominance over pure power. The race for the skies, it seems, is far from over. Source: National Security Journal.